Almost everyone has a lifelong dream to live a long and healthy life. Sadly, it's a dream that eludes many. Recently, helping people age well has been a new focus in healthcare, and it's not surprising that scientists may have finally discovered the secret to longevity: sleep. Well, not just sleep, but our sleep habits. Experts believe sufficient, consistent, and quality sleep are crucial to a long and healthy life, and new research proves beyond a reasonable doubt that optimal sleep is the key to longevity. In this video, we'll talk about a recent study that links sleep with longevity and how sleep impacts our health and lifespan. What do studies say? Scientists from the Federal University of Sao Paulo, Brazil, have linked regular sleep patterns and favorable lipid blood levels to longevity. This groundbreaking study aimed to evaluate and define the sleep habits of older people and their metabolic profiles, then compared their profiles to those of young adults and seniors. 38 men were selected for the study after a thorough interview and fitness assessment to exclude medical conditions that could affect the research outcome. Only male volunteers were selected because estrogen's peculiar effect on sleep could impact the study's outcome. The participants were divided into 3 groups based on their age: older, 85 to 105 years, old, 60 to 70 years, and young, 20 to 30 years. The volunteers spent a night at the sleep laboratory where they were informed of the study protocol and had their data collected using a standardized questionnaire. They also had blood tests and underwent full-night polysomnography, PSG. After 23 weeks, participants in the young and old groups underwent another full-night polysomnography. Participants in the older adult group did not undergo second polysomnography. Subsequently, all 3 groups underwent actigraphy and kept a 1-week sleep journal. Finally, data collected from the older adult group were compared to those from the old and young adult groups. The findings uncovered some new information on specific sleep patterns and the preservation of slow-wave sleep in the older adult group. It was discovered that the older adults kept their sleep and waking cycles regular. Also, the blood levels of HDL cholesterol and triglycerides in older adults were significantly lower than in the old adult group. These results show that optimal sleep and lipid metabolism are important factors in preserving human longevity. These findings were corroborated by another research conducted by geriatric medicine experts. The researchers looked at how sleeping patterns relate to health in families with an exceptional long life expectancy. The results suggested that centenarians protected from age-related diseases likely have healthier sleep patterns than others. In another study, Japanese scientists analyzed the sleeping patterns and lifestyles of elderly residents of Ogimi, a community known for its longevity. They realized seniors in good shape in the community had excellent sleep practices and exercise. Sit tight, because we're about to discuss 4 ways sleep impacts longevity. 1. Sleep boosts immunity and cell repair. Studies have shown that quality sleep enhances the body's immune system. The immune system helps in preventing infections and repair damaged tissues and cells. While asleep, the body releases chemicals and hormones that contribute to youthful appearance, increased vitality, and strength. Also, studies have shown that a single night of disrupted sleep can speed up the aging process of individual cells in the body. 2. Sleep promotes cardiovascular health. Heart disease is one of the most common ailments among older people. Many studies associate sleep deprivation with debilitating and chronic illnesses like sleep apnea, hypertension, and heart attack. Insufficient sleep can cause diseases, worsen their symptoms, and reduce the effectiveness of treatment. 3. Sleep aids healthy metabolism. Sleep is essential in maintaining the body's metabolic processes. Illnesses associated with dysfunctional metabolisms, like diabetes, obesity, and high blood cholesterol, have been linked to insufficient sleep. According to the Center for Disease Control, CDC, sleeping for less than 7 hours a day increases the likelihood of developing insulin resistance, which is a crucial component of type 2 diabetes. Getting adequate sleep is an essential part of treatment for people living with diabetes and other metabolic diseases. Optimal sleep helps increase the quality of life and reduce mortality in people with metabolic conditions. 4. Sleep preserves neurological and cognitive processes. Typically, aging symptoms include memory loss and poor information retention. Experts have suggested that getting adequate sleep every night helps keep the mind sharp. Studies have shown that getting enough sleep improves memory and learning. This means that the ability of the brain to create and store memories, along with other cognitive skills such as problem solving and attention to detail, might be negatively impacted if one doesn't get enough sleep. Also, sleep preserves the physical integrity of the brain. During sleep, the brain releases accumulated toxins, including harmful proteins associated with chronic diseases like Alzheimer's. What's the conclusion? You can live a long and healthy life if you adopt a healthy sleep pattern and lifestyle. Visit a doctor if you or your loved ones have any sleep-related trouble. Help is available.